Hey guys, I'm so excited to show you DJI's newest Osmo Action camera. It is the Action 4 right here. I hope you can see it on top. I have two camera setup. Once I open the DJI Osmo Action 4, it's going to be a 3-camera setup. It is the adventure combo, and I'm going to go straight into unboxing it because as I was going through all of these YouTube videos before I was going to buy the Osmo camera, I just want to see what's inside before I buy, right? And I couldn't, of course, it's sealed, so I couldn't ask the shop to open it before I could buy. So this is your solution. If you're buying a DJI Osmo Action 4 camera, you can watch this video so you'll see if this camera, focus, is for you. So inside, I think this is what you see outside, right? It says that it has a better sensor, bigger sensor, meaning better low light quality. It has 10-bit D-Log, whatever, choo-choo, I don't use that. Deep freeze resistant and long-lasting battery. That means that it has the best battery life out of all the YouTube videos that I've seen. They're saying that the Osmo Action 4 outperforms the GoPro and the Insta360 Go 3. Those were my top 3 choices. All of those you'll see in a lot of YouTube videos, so you can just watch my video to see whatever's inside the box. And maybe we'll do reviews, maybe we'll do a lot of these tests, real world scenarios with this action camera, riding in the dark and what's not. First of all, I don't know how to open this thing. It has no peel from the plastic, the outer plastic layer. I don't know how to open it. So it is kind of like right there. Just peel it off. Peel. Peel. Put that aside. Osmo Action. And then now you get to see the pull tab with the arrow. So you just pull it like so. There you go. So right out of the box, you see 2 mini boxes inside, okay? There. So you have the Osmo Action 4 box and you have the accessories box. So we'll try to check out the accessories box first. Inside the accessories box, you'll see that there's another pull tab. Okay, it's pretty simple to open. Silica gel, throw away, do not eat. You get your USB Type-C cord with you. You also get your quick release mount. So let's open that up so you know what it looks like. Put the paper aside, or the plastic aside. They're saying that this is better than the GoPro, the GoPro, yes. Also better than the Osmo Action 3. It has a slightly different material for the quick release magnets. That's number 1. You're also given this battery case and fast charger, only with the Osmo Action 4 Adventure Combo. So let's open it up to see. Oh, it is quite heavy. It's pretty heavy, which gives you that premium feel as well. Look at it in front. So you have 3 batteries that come with the adventure combo, so that's pretty convenient. I think, well, based from the reviews, 1 battery is already enough. So let's see how this one performs with 3 batteries. And you'll see that the color says it's not charged, so we're gonna be charging this in a bit after the unboxing. Aside from the paperwork, which you don't really care about, there's an extra lens protection cover. So that was, I guess, everything that's inside the accessories box. Let's now see the Osmo Action 4 box. So the Osmo Action 4 box, this is what it looks like. That's what you see in front. Open from the top. And then, so there are 2 pieces of plastic inside the Osmo Action 4 camera itself. Plus, we also get the cage. Nothing more inside. So there's 2 things inside that box. The cage and the Osmo Action 4 camera. So syempre, save the best for last. We're gonna be opening up the cage. I think it's a protective case. inside the cage, you see that you have 2 pieces of the screw that helps you mount the camera with different types of mounts. So there's 2 of these. 2. Inside the cage still, you will see that there's another magnetic mount that's included with the Adventure Combo. This is very convenient for those of you who use multiple mounts, because that means you can just put this, for example, in one tripod and then this one for your body mount, right? All of these things are interchangeable anyway. But what I can see here is that one appears to be longer than the other. So I guess it depends on your use case where you want to put this. But there's 2 for you right there. And the last piece of accessory, I think, from the cage. Oh, there's more. There's more inside. Wait lang. It's the official Osmo mount, and it's curved, meaning I think it's for helmets. So this is the adhesive. What I want to try is that once I remove this, my question is that once you stuck it on your helmet like that, can you still remove it, wash it, and then put it somewhere else? We'll see. We'll test this out. That's what the mount looks like. I told you there was more in the box. So inside the box, I think this one's the last piece, and this is again exclusive with the Adventure Combo that you can buy. It is the longest selfie stick that I know, or that I have ever seen in my life. And when I say longest selfie stick, I mean longest selfie stick. Well, I'm sitting on the floor and it's higher than my head. So what you do is you just put it here, and then you can just screw it like so. It's not going in. Other way around? Oh. So you have to line it up. I think the shorter one is the one that you put it here. There, okay. So the shorter one is the one for the selfie stick, which you can easily put. The longer one is for something else, probably the helmet mount, probably a chest mount that you're gonna buy, so it's an extra. I don't want to remove this from the plastic anymore. I think you know what a lens cover is. So this is how it looks like. No need for the plastic. Wow, it's so small, but it feels so premium. Here, just top camera, just so you can see it. A lot of the reviews that you're gonna see, the comparisons between the 3 and the 4, you won't see it from the form factor, because the only difference is that you'll see the number 4 on this new build. But it's the image sensor inside that makes it better than the previous generation. Your Action 4. Wow. That is everything inside the box. It comes with this really, really long selfie stick with 2 magnetic mounts. I'll show you the magnetic mount pala. Here, that's it. Oh, it really pulls, snaps into place. That's it. Right? You don't need to screw things anymore. It's basically like that. And to remove it, just pull the 2, ano ba tawag dito? The quick release buttons over there, and then just pull it away. That's it. 2 screws that you'll see. Comes with a cage as well, the standard cage that you just put as a case for your Action 4. The Action 4 itself comes with this beautiful charging case and 3 batteries. Fast charging, by the way. USB-C cord for your camera and for the charging case. It will also give you this mount for your helmet. It's a curved mount, so maybe for your helmet, for your car, whatever, wherever you want to put it. It also has an extra lens cover, just in case. They have the just in case for you. So there you have it, ladies and gents. The DJI OSMO Action 4 Adventure Combo. Don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified so you will know and see the next video wherein we're going to be testing the Action 4 in different scenarios, the real world scenarios. Sorry, so just a correction. I opened the plastic. This is why we should open it during unboxings because the lens installed here in your Action 4 is different from the other lens cover that they give you. So it says the camera is not waterproof when used with the Osmo Action lens hood. I'm guessing this is a different lens cover than this. It is just, I think, lens hood. So yeah, look, there's no glass in there. It's literally, so it's just the hood. So this has protection for waterproofness of the camera. This doesn't have, because it doesn't have the glass. It's literally just the hood. So if you want better low light, I guess, performance, you take out the glass that comes in front of the actual lens. This is it. There you go. That's what you get for watching until the end of the video. Bye.